Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hello.
Hello, Ricardo Lully detected. Monitoring behavior.
Hello. Welcome, welcome. Ah. How are you doing today? Everything good? Yeah? How you doing? How you doing? Hello. Greetings. Salutations. You're doing fine? That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. So, something very funny happened to me just a few minutes ago. So, there is a collab planned for Saturday. Yeah? Next Saturday. And I was like, hey, now that I think about it, I don't have the PNGs for the other VTubers, right? So I went into our little group chat and asked, hey, well, no. Instead of going to the group chat, I went to Twitter and on their different places where they stream, looking for maybe if they posted their own models somewhere, right? So I check each of their channels and the Twitter and everything. Like, okay, they must have used them somewhere, right? Because it's basically advertising 101, right? Posting your own model. So, oh, what was that? So I check, right? Trying to see what's up, if they have it anywhere. So I check with one. She did post it, but her image was like super blurry, so I cannot really use it. What time would the collab will happen? Around 2 p.m. My time. So it would be like about 4 hours earlier than the time I usually stream. Yeah, I will post it on Discord on the day to make it easier, since I can actually make Discord actually show the date for you personally, instead of you having to earlier, 4 hours earlier. Yeah. Yes. So, now that I think about it, maybe you should do that. I should, instead of just publishing an image on Discord, maybe I should put the times in text, since Discord actually translates the dates while simple. Yeah. I don't know why I never thought about it. Yeah. By the way, if you go to the Discord and click on my username in the Discord server and see my profile, you can actually see my streaming hours in your time zone. Yeah, I have it there, so it's easier for people to know when I can stream with them. Yeah, for the collabs, I mean. Yeah. I don't know if that time would work for you guys. Now that I think about it. Maybe I should post it already, that there will be a collab, at least on the server. So people can start checking if they can actually do it or not. Yeah. Basically 5 p.m. for you? Really? Yeah, but maybe I should go ahead and post it. So you guys can actually know the correct date and time. Date and time, yeah. Let's see, when is it? There it is. Let me copy this and let me see if I can post it cleanly over here, or if I need to. Yeah, I think I'm going to need to fix it myself. 1 second. It shouldn't take me long. Yeah. It would be here at 0200, like that. And I want it on this format. There would be announcements. There will be a collab on Saturday. Yeah. There we go. It should show up on your time zone now. Yeah. Yeah. Basically 5 p.m. for you. But yeah, like I was saying, I went on to their accounts, their social media accounts, trying to find the PNGs to actually use for the stream, right? But the first one, the PNG was all blurry, and I was like, okay, next one. So I went to the next one, and I found out this other VTuber is not using basically a custom-made VTuber model. They have yet to basically debut, but they are already streaming just without their model, right? They're using a pre-made one, apparently. So I'm like, okay, she doesn't have an official one. Okay. And then I check with the third person, and that person doesn't even have a Twitter account. And their model is nowhere to be found. And I'm like, wow, lovely. Yeah. Oh my. So I go to the group chat and I ask, hey, do you have a PNG I can use for the thumbnail for the stream on Saturday? Yeah. And they have so far only one responded. Then again, I just asked the question before starting stream. Yeah. But I found it really funny. Yeah, so the collab on Saturday might be clunky. There might be a lot of scuff, a lot of failures, a lot of technical failures, a lot of planification failures. Yeah. So be prepared for quite a bit of chaos. Not necessarily the funny one. The funny type of chaos. Yeah. For some reason, my chat is not working. Yeah. I have 3 chats. I don't know if you know this. So I have the chat you see on the screen, right? The one next to me, right here. Right? And then I have a YouTube chat. That is the one you are typing on. And then I have another chat on OBS. So when I'm doing stuff on OBS, I can actually see what you guys are saying, right? And then I have a third chat that is in the application I have to execute commands. The place where I made the dungeon crawler, and where I coded all the commands has a little window where I can see chat. Yeah. And from all these windows, I can ban or time out people. Yeah, so I have like 4 or 5 windows with chat. And the one I use the most is not actually working for some reason. Yeah. And I don't know why. You don't know if you will be able to make it, but okay. Yeah, it's fine. I know it's not the normal time I stream. So yeah. I wonder who will show. Maybe I will post the stream from early on the morning. Like 4 hours before, so people have the chance to actually notice the stream and check the time. Yeah. There is also one other thing that I kind of wanna ask. I want to switch one of the games we are playing for a different one. Yeah. Good idea? Yeah. I think I will post it early. Yeah, I think we already covered the most interesting endings for neither streamer Overdrive. So I was planning on switching that game with another for this week. I just don't know what game would be nice. So if you have any suggestions, I will appreciate it. Yeah. Now that I think about it, the suggestions and complaint channel that is on the public triangle maybe should be on the recommendations area. Yeah. And maybe the recommendations should be higher. Yeah. Okay. That looks nice. Yeah, I wanna change Needy Streamer for a different game. How about Crypt? Let me check. Crypt. I wanna know how long it takes to beat. Crypt takes which one is it? There is a bunch of Crypt games. Crypto? No, that's a different one. From what year is Crypt? let me check. Crypt is from 2022, so it's not this one. Crypt of the Necromancer, Crypt Master, Crypt Custodian, Coin Crypt, Unboxing Crypture, Crypto Cryptis, Iron Crypt site. There is actually no crypt here, huh? Just crypt, there is nothing? Oh, that's weird. Yeah. (2022), I believe it was the year where it released. Hold on, let me try to narrow this one. It released on 2022. Huh. It's not actually here. Crypt. Chances you will beat it or no? What is it? This is not a beginning, it is a psychological device on the play this game you will have it. That's intentional. It might trigger my phobia. Okay, we can at least give it a try. Yeah. So let's try Crypt then. Yeah. Okay. Then that's set. Yeah. By the way, yesterday, I don't know if you remember why I cancelled a community night. Yeah, meeting. Well, turns out it was not just a meeting. It was also lunch and a little bit of party. Yeah. So it turns out, basically, it was the meeting first, right? And also, after the meeting, they basically made a little bit of a lunch party that then became a birthday party for my grandfather, right? And lots of family starting to show up, and that was quite the ordeal. Yeah, it was not so bad at other occasions, but one cousin that showed up was quite the handful in the video. So let me tell you about this cousin. It's not only me who doesn't like him. So, when I was younger, for obvious reasons, I didn't frequent my family's gatherings if I could help it, right? So this particular cousin, I never actually interacted much with them because they are like 1 degree higher of distance, right? So basically, let me switch to the game development screen and I will show you.
Hello, Ricardo Lolly detected. Monitoring
Wow.
behavior.
Let me just fix the script because it's always breaking. Where are you? Game maker, there you go. Okay, so I have this cousin, right? And this cousin is very peculiar, to say the least. I wonder why it is, but my maybe because he doesn't know how to pronounce the C with the squiggle. Yeah. So let's say I am right here, right? In the family structure, and I have like my parents, right? Then on the side of my father, I have the nobles, right? And here are my uncles, right? And they have their children, right? Each one has their set of children. Some more, some less. Everyone has me, not really important. And this particular cousin, basically, let me move this a little bit, is from a side of the family that is like 1 degree removed. So he's from like over here, from a different part of the family, right? Mind you, these 2 lines eventually come together, right? On the top and become 1, right? Like this. Right? So they are like second cousins or something of the sort. And because of that, I don't interact much with them. And here is the funny story here. I have a cousin that comes from this area over here, right? There was this one occasion that because I don't interact with this side of the noble family much, I was like in a different gathering, not from the family, but from different, basically a different noble party. Let's call it a tea party, with several different members of different families, right? And one of the ladies approached me at the party with a very weird, what to call it, story. Basically, one of these guys on the side of the family said that the reason why I don't interact with the main part of the family is because in one of the parties he and I had a disagreement, and he said he beat me up, and that's why I don't no longer show to the family gatherings. Mind you, this second cousin basically never interact with them. It's like we see each other at a family gathering or something, and I just say, hey, hello, right? Just general greetings. And he was like telling people that he beat me up. And then I told the other one in the gathering, literally when I heard that, I told her, well, not told her, I asked her, really? Who won? Because I'm just finding out. Who won the fight? And I was like, no. We don't even talk. We don't have reason to fight, right? So I just made a joke about it, right? In the gathering, like I started placing bets to see whether I or him would win the fight, right? But yeah, this side of the family is kinda weird. There is some weird stories I have heard from that side. I also heard something new yesterday. Turns out, let me close this. Apparently, this side of the family has this weird issue. I don't know how to call it. It seems wherever these people are invited to a gathering, mind you, this includes the noble, the second one. Whenever they come to a family gathering, people are starting to notice, and mind you, like what I was saying, this includes the ones for the noble family, right? For the main branch of the noble family, they started to notice that stuff went missing. Like they organized the parties on someone's house, right? Either at the main family estate or one of my uncle's houses, right? They started to notice that specifically the gatherings these guys came to, stuff went missing, like purses, decorations, small decorations, wallets. So they started to investigate, and they realized it was not just like one person issue, like there is a bad apple on that side. No, it turns out like 80% of the people that came from that family, from that section of the family, was stealing at the family gatherings, and not just ours, at other noble gatherings. I even heard, let's just say this guy right here is the guy that was talking shit, saying that he beat me up. I heard his father often goes to workshops on a pickup truck when the workers are not there, like on a weekend, or something, opens the workshops, grabs whatever materials and tools he can, loads them all on the pickup truck, and leaves. Basically, this guy is stealing from the family-owned workshops. And I'm like, huh? Wait. So you are telling me you know this is happening. Why have you not done something about it? And then they told me, well, you see, the workshop has like the main dude, the one supervising, right? And that guy has workers, right? Well, apparently, this guy, the one from the family, outranks the manager in the workshop. So even though the manager, the one who will basically take the blame for everything that is going missing, knows that this guy is stealing stuff, he cannot report it because the guy above, from my side of the family, the one that is supposed to be over here, does not really care. Yeah. Yeah. Apparently, this side of the family is full of kleptomaniacs. Because, mind you, these people are not short in cash. It's not like they are in poverty or something. So I'm like, what the actual hell is happening over there? Yeah. By the way, something I also just heard about this guy right here, the guy who talked shit about me, is that this guy is built like a wrestler, like super buff, and he's always bragging about everything. Yeah. So I don't know if I somehow triggered his insecurities or something, because he basically, from what I heard, brags wherever he has the chance, right? And I'm more of the sort of walk in, take the trophy and leave, right? Yeah. And you're like half his size? Yes, I am. He's like a whole head and shoulders taller than me. Yeah. Yeah. It seems like he had the intention of actually doing it, but I'm still, even though I'm kinda not liked, I'm still part of the main branch of the family. So basically their side are a bit of afraid of actually challenging the main branch, because even though I'm not like liked by the noble side, I'm still part of the main branch, right? So he cannot really touch me. He's not brave enough to touch me. Yeah. More because he's afraid of the main branch, not because he's afraid of me. I don't think he understands that the main branch would not really lift a finger if he actually attacked me. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Yeah. I don't know, maybe because I don't really brag, I just do. Maybe that has him a bit intimidated. Yeah. Because, mind you, I often act by myself. I'm very independent from the main branch. I don't ask for permission, I just do, right? And he cannot really do that without getting into trouble. So I suppose that's why he has like a, I don't know, some hatred pointed at me. Yeah. Yes. So that's the thing. That's what's happening. So it was a very fun family gathering. If you can call it that. When his family arrived, everyone quietly took their belongings and stuffed it into a locked room. Yes. So they cannot really steal anything. I don't know why they keep inviting them. I suppose it's because they have still some political weight or something. Yeah. But yeah, that was quite a family gathering. Yeah. Okay, let us continue with the game. Last time I made the gauntlet. Chess, right? Oh wow. The driver handling the game stuff actually kicked in when I opened the game. Wait, can you actually see what I'm playing? Can you see the screen? What can you see? Can you see me playing? Or not? You are just seeing the new game? Huh. Wait. Is the driver blocking the obvious capture? He's blocking the obvious capture. Huh. That's unexpected. Okay, let me check. It's not actually capturing. What the hell? Wait. Okay. 1 second. There we go. You can now see it, right? You can see it? Hopefully. Okay, nice. There we go. So now we have this. So we have this one that is the gauntlet version. I cannot really open this without first getting rid of the slime, and then I can open it, right? So that's working perfectly fine. I don't like this, where you have to once enabled. Yeah. Maybe I need to figure out something about this, because I don't want this. Yeah. That's another issue I need to solve. It's not so much about the whether it's about a player or not. It's more about the distance, because here you can actually interact with both at the same time. So I want to basically make it so you can only interact with the closest one. Yeah. I need to add some kind of check here. Yeah. Okay. Either way, we were working on the chest. We can solve that issue later. Actually, let me add it to the stuff I need to fix. Yeah, 1 second. Let's see. I will add it to version 2.5. Yeah. I want fix button over when two interactables are in range. Yeah. Okay. So we have that ready to go. And the gauntlet chest is working. Next, I need to do a puzzle chest. I will also have the normal chest. We have a trigger treasure chest, a lock chest, and a puzzle chest. Let's go for the trigger chest. Maybe? Yeah. Okay, so we have... This is for the gauntlet. So I can make the one for the trigger. I need to make the sprite. And the check to be able to open it would be to check the trigger. How do I handle the triggers again? Let's see. Switch color, switch target, animation ends. It hit, prefer damage, slash. It just changes the color. Okay. This changes the color. It changes the appearance. And we just color trigger target. Aqua, gray, and to change we just change this. Use on the 5 pre targets. So I basically need a target. These ones right here to actually trigger. I think this needs an improvement. Yeah, because right now it's just we have this that is around the fine. Let me check the doors. Not us. The generic dungeon door. The trigger one. Oh yeah, this is just the aqua. And that's just the gray. This is the false. And door trigger, door state opening. Another trigger. Okay. Door trigger through boolean color. You will be AFK for a bit. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Door ID, key data, door type. Okay, this is not what I want. This is door trigger. Hold on. Let me check one of the maps because I'm not understanding how did I exactly set this up. So let's see. I believe it's on the second half. Not there. Not there. Not here. No, it was not on the second half. It was on the first half. Okay, how did I set this to work exactly? Okay, there is nothing here. Connecting to the door. Target map and location. Huh. How does this work? How did I make this? What the actual hell? Previous target. Oh, it changes the door it triggers. I see, I get it. Yeah, I think I need to modify the workings for this. Yeah. Concert or trigger. Yeah. Yeah, I think it would be better if I use the game manager for this one. Yeah. Room start. Actually, maybe I should even just use the dungeon item. This one. Like, I have these structures, right? Like the keys, the boss key, the map. I don't think I'm going to have a map. Yeah. 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 I could just call this trigger. Underscore color. Object trigger. So trigger target, trigger color, and when using color, the default is gray.
I love your model and keep up the hard work.
Hello, welcome, thank you. Yeah, I'm just trying to restructure currently how the triggers for the doors actually work, because I just noticed this is a little bit more efficient. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just trying to figure out how to set this in a way that makes sense. I believe that's the correct color. Okay. So I can literally check for the dungeon. What's in the dungeon? Object. Okay. So first I need the trigger to actually alter the correct color. So we'll go with option underscore dungeon. I need to get the dungeon object first. Let me see, where was I using this? There we go. Right here. And your number split group map prefix region string dungeon number. Yeah. Okay, I will add this to the utility. Yeah. Let's see. Open utility. Get sprites. It's an easy way to go to the utilities. Function. What would be the best name for this? Get function object. Okay. And I can close this one. And this one. And I want to basically here just basically get the dungeon object. So it would be a dungeon equals to get dungeon object. And then we just say wait dungeon trigger color equals to aqua. Actually, I can just say color. Yeah, I don't even need to use the switch now that I think about it. So I can just say trigger color equals color. Yeah, and I don't need this because I want the doors to actually trigger by themselves. With dungeon trigger this. This seems if I cannot capture any constants. Let's give it a try. So we have that set up. I don't need these ones. Let me actually grab a door. Doors trigger lock. Okay. So the trigger would be rather than triggering like that. I just need to check the color. So it would be if what is currently the door current? Okay, door current. And your parent is object door parent. open parents. Okay. Actually, it should be over here. We have color right there. So it should be on this one? Yeah. So I just need to inherit this. And say color. And it's going to be the default is going to be gray. Okay. So if our color is the same as the dungeon equals get dungeon object. Dungeon dot trigger underscore color. Then we switch. If it's not, then we close. As simple as that, right? Yeah? I believe so. I'll add this. Welcome! Welcome back. Welcome. Okay, so let me go to the ship real quick. Okay.
B.
Hello, Basil. Welcome. Okay. The camlet doors are working as intended. Okay. I actually do speedrun this, mainly because currently the player is like super OP in many ways. Yeah. That crash. What is it? Un hable trigger to Boolean. Huh? Trigger color is supposed to be a color. Door color is also a color. Wait. Why did you crash again? At least there has not been any. There is certain stigma to them? Really? Oh, maybe it's this the issue. Yeah. This little thing should be. Actually, I don't even need the this, I just put it over here, like that. Yeah. Okay, let's go to file 1, because it's the one that is the closest to the doors currently. Okay, let's kill that guy. And now we're here, right? We have a little trigger right here. And if I trigger it, everything crashes. Lovely. Un object.color con server for init. Okay, let's see. I basically want... let me show manual. Right? Basically, I want a way to get the object asset to object. Basically, object variables, collision point, debugging data, instance to object. Collision point place meeting. Yeah. Yeah. Smart list. I didn't know you could put that list. Wait, there is a list? Wait. Oh, there is a list. There is a color even. Wow. I can actually set that specific color. I didn't know that. That I can actually set a color right here. List? How do you set a list? It won't let me interact. Oh, there is a... Oh! And you can set a multi-select. Item 0? Wait, how does these ones work exactly? Huh. That's interesting. Wait a second. That could be extremely useful. Let me see. Variable. Variables list. Object variables, parameter, rooms variables, and variable scope. Real, you can actually set it. Parameter list. A list select items input means that you can create a selection of values. They can be string, real, expression, etc. You can choose one or more of them for the variable to return. To define this going delete, you need to add them in the options using the click button. The default value for a value from the dot menu. Usually an array color. Wow, this is actually extremely useful. Yeah. Asset. Get asset. Getting an asset. That's not what I wanted. Shaders. what is the variable I'm using again to pull the object? Let's see. I'm using asset get indexed. Let's see that particular command. Asset get index. Functions call this as an asset grenade. Just one the first return man is return the asset in chat. It returns a string. Okay, so that actually works. Object enemy objects. Objects exist. Okay, let me check that particular one. Whatever special collects with true or false checks if not if checks is when you see the asset browser and actually in the room. Instance exists of object. You can also supply the instance ID. What if I want the object? Object get name. Index exists, get name, get mass, parent, percentage, all sprite, visible, physics, successor. Instances? Is that create, destroy, instance exist, find. Object, asset, real, the number instance to find. Instance number. And let me install their ID on the day. So basically I can use this one to find an instance, but I need a number. I'm guessing like the instance starts on 0. So in theory, I can just say, hey, var Daniel underscore name. Instance file on John name. On 0, just find me the first one. Right? Maybe that will work. Like this. Basically, I find the name. Then I ask him to find the object with a name. Yeah. E. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Greetings. Salutations. Welcomings. Okay. Object color not safe for reading. Trigger target of trigger. Okay. Abort. This is not working. Let me see. Maybe I can enable the log. 1 second. So I can just say log equals dungeon. just so it shows the actual thingy. And I can set this to true. Yeah. Let's see. Gotcha. Open reference. So that's a reference instance, not the ID. Right? Is that the issue? That is not the ID? That could be the issue. So I say dot ID. Is that the issue? Like that? Yep. Non-object.color, no setter for init. Maybe I'm mistaking something. Object.color, no setter for init. Oh wait, maybe the one crashing is not the door, but the trigger? Is that the issue here? Hold up. Hold up. With dungeon trigger equals color. Color set prefix slash. Here we have color, so that does exist. Set green text color. Target color quantities. Wait, what is the issue again? Continue file 1. Let's see. It says trigger equals color. Non-object.color. Oh, I get it. Hold on, I get it. Yeah. It's because color doesn't exist in here, basically. That's the issue. That's the issue. That's what I like to believe is the issue. Just watch me be completely wrong. I'm completely wrong. Color set preferences, create or sprite get color. Wait, animation ends for subject.parent. Okay, this error is happening on the door, not on the trigger. So it's basically a different kind of error. Yeah, because I'm using this. Color string ID, data types, trigger this one. I'm inspecting the variable color right here, which is not longer being used. Yeah. Because now we are using door color instead of just door. So I need to switch this thing right here for that one. Yeah. Okay, let's check. Is this working correctly? Poof. Nice! It works. Not the way I want, but it works. Yeah. Sprite not found. Sprite lock Grasselsin lost in Grassels. I believe that one exists, right? Or am I mistaken? Objects, enemies, faces, inventory. Terrain, dungeon, doors, trigger, ship, R. Oh, there is no R. Just down. Oh. That's the issue. Then we have lock Grasselsin. Yeah. Hold on. Why is that not neutral? Hold up. A room. No joke. What room was that? It was room. It was on the first half. I believe 6-1. 5-1. Right here. Ah, that's the issue. Okay. Rain door. Right now, this has the direction set to right. I can set it to down. And to fix the issue, I just grab this thing. And over here, I just let me fix the angle so you can actually see. I just like that. I just discovered I can actually do that. Yeah. I discovered that the other day.
Ricardo didn't tell me you're streaming.
Wow. Hello. Welcome, Killfire. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Okay. I believe
My
that should...
sprinkler goes like this and comes back like did.
What am I saying? Oh yeah, I believe that should fix the issue. I think. Maybe. So we have this. And I go pa! And that closes. Nice. Right? And now you cannot actually open it. Because you need a bump. Yeah. Actually, now that I think about it, I need to fix that on the trigger. If the color if score is the same as the color we have here, then instead of setting it to that, we'll just say transparent, right? If not, we assign it. Else. Else. There we go. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. How are you, miss? Fine. A little bit tired. Mainly because yesterday was quite difficult. Mainly because family reunions are not very enjoyable for me. Yeah. Okay, now that should work. Let's see. So I go over here, that's on gray. So if I hit that, that closes, and I hit it again. It's not working. Lovely. Yay. Let's see, why is not working? On hit we set the color. We are setting the state of the trigger like that. Let's call this new underscore color. So let's say new color equals to whatever I get here, right? And I check if wait, this actually triggers previous equals to target. I don't actually need this. Right here. If actually I need to grab this right here, over here. If color equals the new color, then color is transparent. Else we use the new color, right? And here we don't need so much nonsense. I can just set it like this. Yeah. Right? So this it is to transparency and we are in the same. If not, we set it. And we will do the same down here. Just like that. Let's go. Target equals undefined. New color, let's say, is undefined. Let's start on transparent. We assume it's transparent. If these two are equal, we go with transparent. If not, we use the new color. Right? Fernandez family is awful on a whole other level. Yes, that is indeed correct. I have said that. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this works correctly. Okay, so I said it. I hit it again, and now it's transparent. Lovely. Yeah. So this is actually triggering. For some reason, the door didn't change, which is a bit weird. Yeah. But the trigger over here is actually working correctly. Yeah. I can actually move these two over here actually to avoid a bit of the blood. I can set it to transparent to start. I can relate with my mother's side inside instead. Yeah. That's what happens when half of your family is nobles. When half the family has a lot of money and power, they are usually not good people. Yeah. Let's see. So this is actually working. The issue is actually over here. This create on step or state is closed, then do this, this open in the state. And the color is different to the dungeon color. Animation ends. Closing the state to close, and we switch the sprite. Data door type. Maybe I should show something here. Rather than the dungeon, let's show the string current color for the door. And after that, we can add the dungeon one. Dungeon dot trigger all like that. Yeah. Ya almost inability sorry about the dead your cousin. Yeah. That's quite a story. Yeah, on a different stream I talk about something I find out about one of my cousins once he died. Yeah. Was it in a community night? Gray and gray. So if I do that, now... Huh. For some reason the dungeon color didn't change. Oh. Oh. That's weird. Is the dungeon not directly connected to the variable? Is that what you're telling me? That's why it's not switching? Oh. So once I pull it, it doesn't update. Oh. I see. Okay, good to know. So I need to check it basically on the trigger. No, where is where I change the color? The type. Is it not set? Yeah, here. So basically I have to do it here. So I will just grab this and execute it right there before I actually use the variable. Right there. Don't you know the... Well, maybe not in here, out here. Yeah. Like that. Okay, let's see. I think it's gonna say the one you rented. Yeah, basically. Yeah, I think you were the only one in chat in that question. Now that I think about it. Yeah. Okay, if I hit this, poof, now it's aqua. And if I click again, now it's transparent. Okay. So in order to put it gray, you need... Well, at least this is working now. Yeah. My family isn't that toxic in comparison then. Yeah, basically if you want the short version of the story, basically my cousin died a bit of a gruesome death, and when I was informed by a relative about it, that same relative asks me if I knew my cousin was adopted. I said, no, at all, not at all. And then that relative proceeded to tell me a story of how my cousin low-key was kidnapped, stolen from his mother at birth by my family. Yeah. So if someone ever actually figures out my identity and someone informs the police about that, some people might go to jail. Then again, my family has the power to stay out of jail, so who knows? Yeah. But I didn't find out that my cousin was adopted. Well, I said adopted in a very quotation marky way, because he was not so much adopted as he was basically stolen. Yeah. They're just annoying because they keep trying to pick fights for Nissan. My family just pretend they don't exist, which makes sense, but like, yeah. Yeah, the person who snitches is going to receive retaliation. But who knows? My family is not like very united. They like to attack each other. So there is a chance they might not even do anything and let that particular family member go to jail. Yeah. Who knows? It depends on the dynamics and the drama currently happening in the family at the moment. Yeah. Okay, this is working perfectly. Yeah. Let's see. Door color. The default is gray. Let's see. Oh. I want to go to the one that are actually triggers. That would be this one, aqua. Variable definitions, we have door color right here on aqua. So I can have the variable definition right here on gray by default and remove this one. Yeah. I guess politics is just family drama on a national scale. Yeah, basically. Yes. Yeah. Having a family like that is both a blessing and a curse. In many ways. Yeah. I can close this one. I can close this one. And I need to check the gray one. Just to make sure everything is fine. Yeah, that's actually fine. Okay. This means the family as a failure? Yeah. Also on my side, if it wasn't for the fact that I'm way more successful relative to my cousins, that's the only reason I'm not really technically a failure in their eyes. Yeah. Okay, I believe that should fix the issue. 1 second. Okay, and I kill that and move on. Okay, so we have this, right? So in theory, if I do this, it should open, and if I hit it again, it should close. Nice. Yeah. You are disgrace. Okay, 1 second. My cat wants to leave the room, so I'll be right back. One moment. I'll be right back. Hello. My family is poor, so they haven't had any problems. Well, you see, that's both true and false at the same time for me, because my noble father married a homeowner, my mother, so I have the worst of both sides. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm both on my mother's side. They see me as the rich, entitled person in the family, and on my father's side, they see me as the poor stain on the family's reputation. Yeah. So I get it both ways. Isn't that lovely? No. Isn't that just lovely? She loves to hear herself talk and tries to come off way more smart than she actually is. And the fact that Barney still tries is why she has protagonist energy. Yeah. My family is very peculiar. Well, they don't really like me, usually. They kinda have to respect me in a way. For example, my grandmother, on the side of my mother, was very... She was like a sailor, right? She cursed a lot, was very rough, very much a tomboy. Yeah. And she was more of the kind of judge you by yourself, not really by your social standing. So she and I got along very well. My grandparent, her husband, my grandpa, was a very buff kind of man. He was a blacksmith, right? So he saw me as a failure, not because I was rich or had money or that kind of stuff. It was because I could not lift a beam, the ones they used to build skyscrapers by myself, because I was very weak physically. Yeah. But then again, he basically judged all of his grandchildren as failures, because no one could actually lift several dozen kilos of steel beam by themselves. The worst part is that he's currently 90 years old, and he still can lift the steel beam by himself. So I cannot help but feel like an actual failure. Yeah. He's a bit of a monster. He could literally punch you to death. He could one-shot you. Yeah. Yeah, basically. Yes. Then again, because I was trained about how to carry furniture and that kind of stuff, and people on the firefighting course, I'm the least failure on that side of the family in his eyes. Yeah. Which is kind of funny. Even though I'm technically the weakest. Yeah. But because I can carry some amount of weight, he sees me a little bit better than my cousins. Yeah. Which is funny to me. Let's see, I want another chest. Close cabinet opened. Let me duplicate this. And this will be chest trigger. No. And let me open also the door as an example. I will open this one. Yeah, we have the thing solo here. So I can literally just copy and go back over here and use it like this. And there we go. Now we have a trigger chest for Aqua. New. Yeah, it comes as something. Is this even centered? It's as centered as it can be. Yeah. Let's see. We have the trigger. Let's call this instead of trigger, let's call it Aqua, like that. And I can make one for the other one, just duplicating this. And let's call this gray. And let me open this also. Grab this and yeah, and copy this. And we go over here, and I need the gray one. This one, gray, and I just paste this on top, and we're good. I imagine romance anime between an absolute unicorn man and a cellular phone mounted tomboy. Yeah. Here is a little quote of things my grandma used to say. Once I was very little, like 5 or 6, and we were eating at my grandma's house, and yeah, I'm the one they asked to enable the pirate office. Yes. We were eating, right? And I don't remember which of my aunts arrived to join us, and my grandma immediately served him a plate. Served her a plate, and she took one look at the plate, and she went, "Wait, I don't like this. Can I have something else?" And my grandma literally said, "No, either you eat that or you eat shit. Now sit. And my aunt literally went quiet and just sat down to eat. Yeah. It was like her catchphrase. Whenever someone talk back to her, she will want to say 8 or 10 times, would literally end her words with "eat shit." Yeah. You don't like it? Then go in shit. Yeah. He was also very what to call it? Very traditional. She would scold my aunts for not being the perfect wife. Like, she would get mad if they didn't serve the plates themselves to their husbands. She would blame them, the women, for not keeping the children busy. She would blame them if their houses were dirty. Yeah. And if any of my uncles tried to help them do the chores, my grandma would scold my aunts. Yeah. That's the kind of woman she was. It was funny. It was very entertaining to watch. And let me close this. And this one also. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, and my grandpa is still very deadly. He can still one hit you pretty easily. Yeah. I think he's going to outlive me. She's like extremely healthy. Yeah. Let's see. We need to do the trigger lock. And the condition to open this one is that the color, chest color, is equal to the dungeon color. And to do that, let me grab the object. Generic dungeon doors trigger. It was right here? Yeah, right here. Right there. Yeah, he has muscle. Well, he's not as buff as she was before, but he's very powerful. Yeah. Yeah. I got to know pretty much all of my grandparents, except for my on my father's side, my grandma. I didn't meet her. Yeah. Yeah. Aside from her, I pretty much met everyone. Hmm. My parents are all dead. I knew my maternal grandma is a similar role. Yeah. Oh, the one that I just talked about, the one that always said, "Eat shit," was the one that made the mustard gas of pepper sauce when she cooked her spicy sauce. We had to evacuate the building. Yeah, is the one that sent one of my cousins to the hospital because he dared to drink the whole bowl of spicy sauce. Yeah, that's her. Color type because the golden color. Okay. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let me check. I need to go to the map. Rooms. I believe it was 5-1, right? Right, yeah, right here. And I will place a chest right here. Just an experiment. And I will set the chest type to door lock, trigger lock. Instead close chest asset. I need the chest color also. 1 second. Chest color. And this would be a string. And let's call this let's set it to aqua. Actually. And the chest should be chest. How did I did it with the door again? Let me check. Object not here. Over here. Create inherit. Step close trigger color. Trigger lock. Maybe it's over here. Actually, I think I didn't do it here. Now that I think about it. I think that code should be over here on the trigger. Let's see. Let me close these ones. And trigger. Okay. I also liked a lot my grandma's cooking. I actually learned a few of the recipes myself because I like them so much. Yeah. Asset grease. This is what I'm looking for. Right there. Let's check. Generic key, chest type, launches data, open, churches open. Okay. If chest underscore type is door dot trigger lock, I want you to run this code right here. Just to set the color. Right? And this would be not that one in particular. It would be chest aqua. So this would be chest. Like that. And chest aqua door state close. Then I want you to set it to this. Yeah. Actually, now that I think about it, I need to do this in a different way. I just realized I need to do this differently. Okay, so maybe I should make a different structure right here. Yeah. Let's see. And let's call this lock. So let's call, we have a open and closed, right? And the space in between, right? Opening, closing. Let's call them like this. Right? We have these states. And what I'm going to do, the normal, I don't need it. Actually, I don't need it. Breakable, I kinda do need it. Okay, lock, download lock. I don't need to say key, gauntlet, trigger, and puzzle. Right? That's for the locks. Let's see. So instead of door, I can just say lock, right? And this would be lock, gauntlet. This is going to be lock, trigger. And this state right here, I don't really need it, right? I have this open chest. And I just need to check for the lock type right here. And if the lock is normal, then we go change the lock state to open, right? Then we just change the state. Drop, insert, create. Data storage. Okay. I don't need to set this to close. Actually, yeah, I don't need it. I do need it. In gauntlet, I can just set it to the gauntlet. Trigger can be just trigger. I can just set this like this. I'm trying to simplify the code. Chest color equals, we switch to normal. I usually try to finish my progress in one go. If I leave for a few days, I'm going to forget everything. Ah, yeah. So currently, if you trigger this chest, right? So if you set it to the correct trigger, the chest is going to open, right? But if you change the trigger, then it won't go back to being a trigger chest, which is a bit of an issue. Yeah. So maybe I will have a lock type. Original lock. And let's call it whatever was here. Chest type. That way I can change chest type whatever I want. Hmm. Hmm. This will just switch to the correct color. Then we have the chest state. We change it to open. If necessary, this is supposed to be lock. And this is just trigger. Right? Color is supposed to be chest color. Like that. Yes, open, save data. I need to switch this. Right here. Open chest is check status on the normal. The distance to the play is correct. In they're pressing what they want. We change the state to open. We change the sprite. Throw out the thing and everything. Okay. So this should be lock. Right? And it would be lock type. Am I using chest state anywhere? Right here. And this should be lock type. Actually. Okay. And over here we need lock type. We change lock type right there. We check color. This is also lock type. Lock type. And we just check if the lock is different to open. We show the gizmo. Right? And here on the gizmo we actually check if he's within reach. Actually, it has to be specifically on the lock when it's normal, without lock. Yeah, okay. And normal is the point where you can actually open. Yeah. Lock normal, trigger. Okay, so I don't really need this state right there anymore. Yeah. Yeah, I don't actually need this state. Original lock type. And this I want it for this particular point. If we're right here and we check if original lock type is or trigger lock, basically we set the lock type to trigger lock. Actually, I can just set it to the original lock. If this doesn't actually trigger, right? If it's of kind trigger and the chest color doesn't match the dungeon trigger, then we re-engage the lock, right? I've been at this for almost a year. Would you call my skills good or extremely bad? Maybe my patience is the only impressive thing about me. Lock type not set before reading it. Really? Oh, it's because I'm using it first. Yeah. Well, I can just set it over here, I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just working this a few hours a week. You are indeed correct. Ah! Type lock type. Oh, right, it's because I haven't changed this. Wait, 1 second. I just need to move this over here. And I grab this one. And I will put it right there and remove this one. And this is a lock. Not normal by default. Yeah. Actually, I can simplify this a little bit by just moving these variables over here. And I can kill that one. Character name actually can also defaults. Leave it here. Yeah, and that way I can clean this. Yeah. Original lock to lock type. We already have lock type over here, so that should not cause issues. Uh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
cheese,
Cheese. Cheese. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Is set on gauntlet, which is not what I wanted. Yeah. Okay, let me fix that. So we're right here. Lock type is on the ground thing.
mozzarella,
Mozzarella. Oh wait, did the thingy didn't trigger? Wow. Okay, that should be fixed. Oops. It's because I need to refresh the thingy to actually the alerts work. And I kinda forget to do that. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Crystals. Let's see. Dungeon asset perform unit. Okay. So the issue is basically here, this variable right there. Because dungeon is not set. So I basically just need to say dungeon equals get dungeon object. Like that. And I will place this right here. And this also needs the dungeon, so I will call it over there. Like that. And that should solve the issue. I'm glad to see you like the what to call it? The rating of who is in the lead. I don't know, to tell you the truth. My Historia only has 298. Instance create layer. I see. Oops. On save. If drop. If drop is no one, then just return. Yeah. You like the command? I'll allow you to flex. Yeah, it kinda does. Actually, let me set it in a different way. If drop is not set, I want you to lock drop not set, like that, and turn debugging. So I can see the message. Yeah. And I will open this and I will just say if the book I want you to show drop underscore text xy minus 16 log, like that. Yeah. So if I go over here now, it will crash. Lovely, because I forgot to make the book variable. The book, it will be a boolean. By default is false, and I will put this all the way on the top. Yeah, okay. Ah, it crashed again. Another object of the book not set before reading it. But it is set before reading. Oh, I thought there is a little typo. Meow. Here we go. So if I hit that, it shows me that the drop is not set. And you can actually relock the chest like this. Yeah, right? And open. And then I can just hit that and immediately everything crashes. Lovely. The robot no set. I'm just going to set the section. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we go over here. I can kill that. And I hit that. I get close. And poof. Drop not set. Yeah. And I can relock it. Why is closing again? My question. Normal, then do this. On step, equal normal, we set the chest to locked. And check state. Ah, there is the issue. This one needs to change. Right there. From that to that. Yeah. Nice. Let's see. And poof. That's open. And if I leave, I come back, it says open. And if I trigger that, it will no longer trigger. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Now the trigger lock is actually working. Lovely. Yeah. If I can make a list, that means I can do something like this, right? I set the list and I can go item 0 can be, I can literally drag and drop. I can I not drop them here? Object, that's one, right? And then I can another and set it to wait, these are sprites. Maybe what I need is an object. Object bomb drop. Can I not just put it there? Object underscore bump drop. Okay, let me test it out. If I go over here and I check these variables, I can literally just select the option, right? And I just noticed that that's not written correctly, like that. Right? Bomb drop. Bomb drop. Let's see, does that work? Can I literally do that? If I hit that. Oh, it did drop, but I cannot pick it up. Huh, that's weird. That's also a little bit an issue. Let's test it out again. Okay, I open it and hit. Still not working the way I thought it would. Is the function not working correctly? What is happening here? Create layers on drop and asset object expected. Instance create layer. You can create the instance of the specific object given within the room and on the layer specified. So that should be working. What is happening here? Okay, let me switch this to something else. Let's add a new one. Let's call this object underscore money. Right there. Object underscore money. And I can go over here. Why don't you let me edit you? Hello? It's because I'm on the... Wait. In what? Oh, you are in terrain? No, you're not turning 20. Oh, I see. You're supposed to be on droppers. Okay. Bomb drop. We can change it to money. Okay, go sleep before I find the chain again. Okay. Good night. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep well. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's actually working. Huh. So I can actually do this. Interesting. Interesting. So I can actually create a list like this. Ah. Nice. So I can literally just add the drops right here as I want. Object underscore big earth. And then I can add, we have the big heart, we have the bomb, money, a small heart, object underscore small heart. And then I can add another, and we can add the object underscore small key. And one more small key, object underscore boss key. Okay, so we have the big hub, I have the bomb drop, the money, the big heart, the small key, and the boss key. Okay, nice. That's nice. So now I can literally have the option to choose whatever I want, which is really good. Yeah. I can probably do the same over here, where the locks. Yeah. So I can switch this to a list and just specify it. We have normal. Let me open the list right here. We have open, normal, breakable is not going to be an option. We have the key lock. Lock normal. Let me add a bunch of this. So we have the open, normal, breakable key. That I want to require a key. The gauntlet. Trigger. And finally the puzzle. Puzzle. Nice. And now I can literally just choose between them. Ah, that's extremely useful. Yeah. So over here, I can literally just open it, go to the variables, and just choose the kind I want. Right now, key is not implemented, gauntlet is, and trigger is also. Yeah. Yeah. That's quite nice. It will make things way easier. For me in general. Yeah. Okay, we got this solved. Yeah. So we have now finished the trigger. Yeah. Now I need a chess key. Should I implement the chess key? That would be interesting, I suppose. But I don't know if that would be a good idea. Maybe I should keep the keys exclusive to the doors. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I should keep the keys inclusive to the doors. Because imagine going to a chest with a chest key to open the chest. And when you open it, it turns out it gives you just a key. So it could be kinda silly. So maybe I'll leave it into these options right here. Actually, there is another type that I kinda want to implement. Yeah. Let's call this one hidden. Yeah, the hidden lock. That would be interesting. So lock dot hidden, like that. So we have the gauntlet, we have the trigger, we need the puzzle and the hidden one. I kinda want to implement the hidden first. Yeah. Let's see. For the hidden one, it's going to be a bit interesting. Should I make it an actual lock? Or should I make it a state? Actually, I don't think it should be a lock. The more I think about it, the more it feels it should not. Yeah. Yeah, no. Basically a hidden one. I want it to be one where you need to meet a certain condition to make it spawn. But I don't really need to do that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we have only the puzzle left to actually implement. How do I do that? So we have the puzzle lock. Then again, every puzzle would be different, technically, right? So instead of actually making it a lock? No, I can actually make it a lock. The more I think about it, the more it kinda makes sense. Yeah. Let's call this puzzle. Let's see. Instead of chess, let's call just this. Instead of chess color, it will be basically just assigning the correct one. So it will be puzzle. Yeah. And rather than the dungeon, I would need to implement it by room, I think. Yeah. It would be a room specific thing. Yeah.
Column.
Hola. Hola, bienvenido. Bienvenido, bienvenida. Yeah. Bienvenido. Okay, let me make the sprite first. Veamos. Chest, gauntlet, duplicate. This is going to be puzzle. Just puzzle. Yeah. And I need the puzzle lock for this one. So I'm just to copy that. We go back over here and grab the puzzle one and modify this one like this. Yeah, maybe a little bit higher. That looks fine. Yeah. Me ha mencionado en un mensaje más anterior. ¿Por qué estaría mencionado en un mensaje más anterior? ¿A qué te refieres? Spirit monitoring its behavior. ¿Te ha mencionado antes? ¿Te refieres a lo de que te está monitoreando? Es nada más un mensaje de... ¿Cómo decirlo? Aparte, ¿te mencionó antes? No recuerdo que lo haya hecho. Rabbit. Oh, ¿te refieres en el top 10? Sí, es básicamente según quienes tienen más dinero, más Crystal Shards. Yeah. Es un top 10 de quiénes son los más ricos. Sí. Básicamente. Veamos. Ya terminé con esto. Let's see. Puzzle. Dungeon object. Rather than dungeon, Now we need a room, kind of deal. Let's see. Maybe if I use the game manager. Obstacles, terrain, decoration, generic. Generic, where are you? Oh, these are the sprites. Generic, right there. And I'm looking for the game manager. Yeah, okay. Some rooms start where basically grabbing the prefix X and Y and the room name. Yeah. We have a cell size. Menu pause, the book. That's something else. This is the pathfinding. Yeah. This is room name. Room. Let's see. We have the generate key. That basically grabs the save file, gets the room and the objects. Function get variable. And I'm just going to copy this. Like that. Veamos. Y luego necesito cargar la información. I'm using load data right here, so I can just basically say load data underscore key. Let's make it default as key, and I will just switch this right there. That way I can just set my own. So I can just say load this particular data and return load data. Okay. And over here, underscore data equals to this from variables, right? Let me set this data default first, and on create I will just set it to room data to undefined by default. On restart we set it. It would be, let's see. Puzzle default equals to false by default. Uh-huh. Bound score data. And just say root data equals to data dot this. And then to save, I just need to go to romance. And we will just say data. Actually, I can just grab this function and just do the opposite. Set room variables and I will just set key right here equals to key. That way I can just say store data with key and data. Actually no. Comma data underscore data equals to this. ¿Usted cree que sea buena idea usar mi teléfono antiguo ya que no uso para descargar algunas cosas pirateadas? En una parte descargo cosas que completamente random, en otras que sí me sirvan, la creación de contenido. Y en otra para usar como ayuda en cosas de trabajos, otras de la uni. Si planeas usar el teléfono sin introducir nada de información personal y sin abrir tus cuentas personales, ya sea tu correo de la uni o cosas así, sí puedes hacerlo sin problema. En el peor de los casos, tu teléfono deja de funcionar, el que mencionas. Pero si vas a meter información tuya, real, no te recomiendo que lo uses, a menos de que las cosas piratas que vayas a bajar sean de lugares seguros. Entonces no debería de haber problema. O sea, si confías en que lo que estás bajando no trae virus, no puedes decir problema. De otra forma, no lo recomiendo. No. Sí, nada más para que estés consciente de eso. Roman room data. Wait, did I room? Oh, you're right. Room. Yeah. I mistake that one. Good eye, good eye. Okay, so the soul puzzle should be a go trigger. So I can go over here on the chest, go to the step puzzle, and I will just check if the object dot game object underscore game manager dot puzzle solved. Then we switch the lock to normal. Yeah. And I don't need this right here. Okay. Now I need a way to trigger the room. So let's see. Let me grab a little thingy. Let's see. Let's go to the overworld. South on the west near area. And on for 1. Was it for 1? 6-1, I believe was. No, 6-0. There we go. So I go. This one should be below. This chest, I just need to modify the variables. The lock type, it would be a puzzle type. The drop is a bomb. Okay. And I need to grab the trigger right here. I will place it right there. And the trigger, I'm going to modify just a tiny bit. On the grid, on the trigger, I will set the object underscore game manager dot puzzle solve to true. Right? Just like that. And it crashed. On the file data, return data. Oh, I see. Oops. Basically, it's over here. We're getting data, return data. Function.data. I see. Set from memory is get of Parislo data with key and is using data. Yeah, that's a bit of an issue. Because I expected everything to be stored in data. Yeah. Maybe actually I should not do this. At least not like that. I can do it like this and just call this data. Right? There's no reason for me to call it room data. Great. Just call it data. Yeah, because I'm not even really using. Yeah. Data pulse salt equals false. Okay, that's okay. On room variables, we just get the same key. We pass the key to store the data. It grabs directly data. Okay, on the load it should work like that. Okay. Yeah. Ah, another object.key no set from init key manager. Key no set for reading. Oh, is this the issue? Right here? Right there? Yeah. Ah, nope. No set for read. Mat prefix index no set for reading. Dungeon numbers take mat prefix no set for reading. What are you talking about? Mat prefix is very mat prefix. Let's see. Create function object. Oh, I see, I see. I see. Okay, okay. I see. So the issue is in the function get object. That would be over here, right there. Because this is not set before we check. String splits. Strings. Do we have a constraints? Close extend, last position. Start quit. Okay. Almost time. What are you looking for? I'm looking for a function that lets me check the start of the map. So I can say if the map starts with map underscore DJ, that is for dungeon, right? Like this. This one has the dungeon, right? If this is wrong, then we just return. We just return nothing. And this is... we need to put the message at the start, so it would be dungeon map. Actually, it's get from name. Yeah, hold on. Like this. Yeah. Ahora es que está bien ayer que ya había cerrado una sesión en todas mis cuentas. No nos faltan recuperar todas mis fotos y videos que tengo guardados. No hay problema, no hay problema. Usa una isla privada y listo, ¿ya? Okay. And if Ah, because I use this specifically for dungeons, that's not going to work. Yeah. Yeah, that's not going to work. Hmm. Yeah. The book equals to true. Yeah. Let me add the book variable. This will be a boolean and it will default auto false. Then I need to add the draw in UI. If the book draw underscore x x comma y minus 10 log. Yeah. Ok, veamos. Yeah, now that should show the error. Possibly not already need. Let's see. What is happening here? I can go over here. And there is the crash. I see. The issue is right there. So I need to go to the object chest to solve the issue. And the issue is that actually no, it's on the game manager. Because it doesn't exist at the start, basically. So I need to move this to the crate. Right there. Yeah. Actually, there is an issue over here. Because this should be... instead of puzzle solved, it should be data.puzzle solved. Yeah. It should be like that. At least that's what I believe. Just remember it. 7 deadly sins. And I go over here. There we go. So if I hit that, not in dungeon, that's working as I intended. Yeah. Okay, that puzzle solved. That's because the trigger is not working correctly. It is because it has to be dot data like that, and then that should work. File 2, and if I hit, then it opens, and if I leave and I come back, it should remain open, and if I grab it, I can grab the bomb, leave, I come back, and it remains open. Nice. Yeah. Never watching anime and trying to recognize it through the OP. Remember 7 delicate scenes. Isn't that the one that got got really weird animations by the end of it? Because it got a bit low budget as it went on. Okay, the puzzle is also working, I believe. And I can remove this one right here. There we go. There we go. Nice. Ah. So we basically finish our variety of chests. Now they are perfectly useful. Yeah. And I figured out how to use the list. Yeah. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. At least we finish our goal. Yeah. Which is quite nice. Yeah. So we finished with the chest. You forgot the command? I could also make the time alert. An action alert? Yeah. I probably should, now that I think about it. Yeah. Okay, I suppose I will be stopping here for today. We've managed to finish the chest. Next, I think I'm going to do the sprite for the forest. Yeah. The tile set, I mean. Yeah. Let me go back to my room.
Also, I'm the only one who attends college. My family used to be poor too. Now we're alright, I guess. Yeah,
Oh.
I never listen to my grandma anyways. She loves to hear herself talk and tries to come off way more smarter than she actually is. And the fact that Verthandy still thrives is why she has protagonist energy, cheese, mozzarella, column.
Wow. You also forgot the parry? Yeah. Okay. Now the noise isn't has ended. Let us continue. Yeah. So what I was going to say? I kinda forgot. Keys. E.
E.
E. So, yeah, I think I'm going to stop here for today. We almost finished the next step on the game. Basically, I will probably be releasing the next version of this. Oh yeah, I had not uploaded the schedule. Yeah, I'll be doing that after this, either today or tomorrow, because I kinda forgot. And I will also be publishing the times for the streams with a bit more detail on Discord exclusively. Yeah, because I figured out I can make it show you the exact time for the sketch for the stream using Discord's features. Yeah. So there is that. I will publish the schedule either today or tomorrow. There will be a collab on Saturday. I already published the data time on the announcements on Discord. Yeah, it will be included in the schedule. Yeah. And what else? Oh yeah, the prototype probably will be, the next prototype will be released after next stream. Well, that's my hope at least. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's it. As always, you know where to get the schedule once I actually publish it. And my game will be on Patreon, free to play, still. And the source code will also be published after next stream. And I guess that's it. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. Muchas gracias por venir al directo. Mi horario será publicado hoy o mañana. Aún no lo he publicado. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Adiós. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Nos vemos después. Good night. You will now go farm gachas. Good luck. And good night. Buenas noches.
My sprinkler goes like
Adiós.
this.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
And comes back like that.
And bye.
Are you the one they asked to activate the pirate office? Limau. Just push her off her wheelchair. Grandma has fatherless behavior. But as muscle. My grandparents are all dead. I only knew my maternal grandma, and she was a very kind person. My maternal grandma is a cinnamon roll. But God help if your belly rumbled in front of her. Bruh. I miss my maternal grandma's cooking, because my mother's cooking isn't as good. Limau. Jesus. I usually try to finish my projects in one go. If I leave for a few days I'm going to forget everything. I mean, you are only working at this a few hours a week. Cheese, mozzarella. God dang it. Cow. Why does Historia only have 2,980? Historia lost her savings on gotcha. I like this command, it allows me to flex over the rest of the views. Limau. K I gotta go to sleep before I faint on the chair again. GN, Holim. Porque ad Historia mia mencionado en un mensaje más anterior? _.xd. Aparte. Eso de top 10. _.xd. Usted cree que si bueno idea usar mi teléfono antiguo que ya no uso para descargar algunas cosas pirateadas? Digo en una parte descargar cosas completamente random, en otra cosas que me sirven. En la creación de contenido. Y en otra para usar como ayuda en cosas de trabajos o tareas de la uni. Rune? What are you looking for? Está bien, que yo había cerrado la sesión en todas mis cuentas, nomás me faltan recuperar todas mis fotos y videos que tengo guardados, duck. Why sorry por el afk tuve que irme por un momento xd. USA una isla privada y listo añar. Un chino árabe con todos mis datos en la mochila, moi. A neighbor is watching anime. I'm trying to recognize it through the op. Just remember it. 7 deadly sins. Damn. Took me a while. Time alert. I forgot the command. Yeah, limau, cheese, You haven't uploaded this week's schedule. Okay. Where? Okay. Now I'll go farm gotchos. My sprinkler goes like this and comes back like dit. Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a shoebox. A shoebox in September. A shoebox in 21st of September. And 21st of September make me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. Nyanyum nyanya jun ianya do no nyarabai de nyakunyaku inayanyaku nyanya han nyanya di nyaninaku nyarabiti nyaganya game. Croissant. Banana. Cat, big black square, cat, big black square. Bread.
Buenas noches.
Good night. Sleep well. Don't die. Pro. Rest well. Good night. Bye bye. Recién me doy cuenta que estaba viendo el directo con 5 minutos de retraso. _xd. XD.